Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you, if it's your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. I'm back, guys. First, I want to say this is an affiliate marketing channel. I actually share with you different affiliate programs that you can join. You can check them out and see how you can make money from the comfort of your home. You can do this spare time, part-time, full-time. Every program that I actually share, I'm actually an affiliate for. I don't just do reviews on programs. I'm actually a part of everything that I share. But with that being said, I show you affiliate programs that you can make money and receive a commission by sharing with others. I show you marketing systems, tools, and training as well, okay? Because you may already be in a business opportunity and you're struggling with it. So you need some tools to help you be successful with that program. So I show you guys that too. So this channel is just not about flashing money or showing commissions. I want to bring you some value as well, okay? So at times you don't see me come on here and show commissions, but I'm showing you some valuable systems or tools that you can actually use. All right, so today I've got a couple envelopes that came in from WTM Pub. This is a company that has 4 postcard programs that I'm a part of. I'm an affiliate for, and not sure which commissions are in here, but we're going to take a look. But before we do that, I want to show you, for those of you in Textbot, okay? Well, not in Textbot. If you haven't joined Textbot yet, go check it out. Call my number, 845-253-6408. Get this system. It's only $150 to get started. Reach out to me when you join so you can get my personal postcard to mail, okay? And I have a great lead source for you. The link is below, okay? But you can mail these postcards out because a lot of people don't want to market online, okay? So that's where the offline comes into place, okay? So go check this out. Get in for $150. You make $100 instantly when someone signs up, okay? Now, let's see what we've got in those envelopes. But before we do that, I always like to show you guys what WTM has that I'm affiliated with. Okay, we're gonna start with, here's the 4 postcards for WTM. Okay, so let's go over the first one, Cash Cow 100, very popular. It's $300 to get in this program. It comes with a welcome kit. It comes with 100 postcards that the company is going to send you. You make $100 on 2 levels. There's 2 tiers, okay? So every time you mail your card and someone signs up from your card, you make $100. But there's a second tier. So when you sign up someone, your name is on their postcard. You're gonna be in box 2. So every time they make 100, you make 100, okay? That's the cash cow. And this is what the postcard looks like, okay? I have a great printing company where you can get these printed for a very good price, okay? I want to say it's 1,000 postcards you can get for like $62 and some change, okay? So that's a good deal. So $300 to get in. Get started with it. Mail this stuff in priority mail so you can track it, okay? So $100 commissions on there. Postcard Tycoon. Very popular. You make $300 a sale. This one comes with a website, comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads from the company. By the way, forgot to tell you, when you join me in the Cash Cow, I'll send you 200 leads to get you started, okay? All right. Tycoon comes with a website, okay? Join me in this one. I'll send you 400 leads, okay? And if you want your picture on it, I'll do that for you as well. As you can see, I have my picture on it, This is not what the company is going to do. This is what I will do for you, okay? To make it more personalized, okay? $300 a sale. Now this one's going to be $4.98 to get in, okay? These are one-time payments. You don't pay these over and over and over. One time, okay? All right, next one, Profit Max Formula. This one pays out $500 per sale. As you can see, this is the big postcards, jumbos. But you make $500 a pop, okay? And it has the 5 for life, just like the Tycoon has the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Same with this one. This one will be $6.95 to get in, okay? Doesn't come with anything, but if you join me, I will give you 500 leads, okay, to get you started. All right, this is a jumbo, but as you can see, I can hold it with one hand. This is a nice postcard, okay? So $500 a sale for this one, okay? Profit Max Formula, okay? The last one for my high ticket people, if you want to make $1,000 per sale, Supreme Profit System. It comes with 1,000 postcards. As you can see, it's a nice colorful postcard. Okay. 1,000 postcards the company is going to send you. This one also has the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay. It comes with a website as well. Okay. Join me in this one. I'll send you 1,000 leads. Profit Max. I'll send you 500 leads. No website with this one. The Tycoon does have a website, okay? So those are the four postcard programs that I'm affiliated with WTM with, okay? So let's see what's in the envelopes. All right, and I'll put all the links below, so go check them out. So, got these. Okay. First one up. Cash cow from my downline, okay? Oh, and I got a bonus from WTM. We'll cover this up at the bottom. $200 bonus. All right. This one is cash cow, and I'm gonna cover up the routing number. Cash cow right here, and it says downline. So one of my teammates actually mailed a postcard, and again, because I'm on his postcard or her, I receive $100 just by default. Okay, so 2 tiers. Cash cow, 100. Okay, next one. All right. Okay, Tycoon. Welcome aboard, Mr. Flack. Mr. Flack, I received your payment, sir. Okay, I'm gonna cover up the information at the bottom. Tycoon, right here, $300, guys, okay? So, get your postcards, pick a program. There's 4 I just gave you, not to mention Textbot. You can join this one for $150, okay? $150 to get started and just order your postcards. I'll walk you through all this stuff, okay? Or you can join at the lowest, because I've had people to say, well, what's the lowest program? That would be the Cash Cow 100, $300 to get in, okay? But, like I said, Textbot, $150, and just mail the postcards, and it has a website, so the system is going to do all the selling and telling for you. So you're not going to have to explain this. Just mail these cards. Okay, so $150 to get in, or $300 to get in is the lowest ones that I have. All right, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.